If your Chevy Traverse refuses to start, don't panic, because the fix is usually simpler than you think. Over 70% of sudden starting issues are caused by basic battery or connection failures. Let's run through the step-by-step diagnostic checklist to find the exact problem. Always start with safety and check the battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections first. The starter relay in the underhood fuse box is a common failure point that is easy to swap. If the engine cranks beautifully but never catches, your fuel pump might not be priming. Simple electrical cleaning can be done at home, but a dead starter requires a shop visit. As you can see, tackling the connections first saves you hundreds before replacing parts. Plug in an OBD scanner to check for hidden codes that point directly to the problem. Grab a multimeter and a wire brush, and you have everything needed for basic troubleshooting. Always remember that clean connections solve the vast majority of starting issues. If this video helped you get your Traverse back on the road, hit that subscribe button.